This is part 2 of my IRS and Death series. When I was a revenue agent and did exams of individuals and businesses, I did experience several of my taxpayers passing away during my exams. The first one I experienced was one where I had sent out an exam letter and I received no response. Eventually, about 2 months later, I received a phone call from a family member saying they were going through his mail and discovered that he had received the letter, and so they wanted to give me a call to let me know that he had passed away, right about the time that he received my letter, and they wanted to let me know so that, I could act accordingly. So it turns out that this individual had come home from his nephew's funeral and went to bed, and he did not wake up the next morning. And apparently both died under mysterious circumstances, or unknown causes, I guess would be the correct terminology, which is really tragic for the family. So I talked to my manager about it, and because this individual was a lower income individual, we didn't want to traumatize the family any further. There weren't any large red flags on the return. He didn't own a business. I don't remember what was being audited. I think there was educational expenses that didn't look right, or some itemized deductions, something that it wasn't. It probably wasn't correct, but it wasn't worth traumatizing this family, forcing them to go through an audit. So we ended up closing this case and just moving on from there.